Everybody, I am back with a Michael's Halloween paper haul. There's one Christmas one in there. I don't know why, but it's new. Well, it's new to me. I think it's new because I'm in Michael's almost like every week, but it's new. So yes, I have been stalking my local Michael's, and I live near like 3 of them. I've been stalking my Michael's to see when they were gonna drop the Halloween paper, and they finally have. So I have a walkthrough for you guys, a small haul. It's only paper pads, but so you guys can see what they have. And right now, today is Tuesday. They have buy one get 2 free of the hot buy. So I went and ended up getting 6 total. So I only paid for 2, plus I used one of my vouchers for the new Michael's Reward program, so I paid very cheaply for 6 paper pads. So I'm so excited. So this one is called Halloweenesque. Yeah, Halloweenesque, and it's really cute. I want to see if I can try to get it. Let's see her. See if I can try to get the whole thing and frame for you guys. Okay, there we go. So this is what it looks like. That's kind of cute. That's cute too. That would make a really good Halloween TN, so I might use that as a cover. Ooh, and there's some gold foil accents in here. I like this one too. I think this one's kind of cool. Sometimes I wish, ooh, this is cute too, that they did like these big ones and like smaller, maybe like half sheets or something. But this one is pretty cool too. There's some bats, this big old book. Like, I wish this was smaller because I can't use this for what I do, but it's still really cute. There's some stripes, some moths, some cutter parts, which I do like. They're really nice. This would actually make a good cover too for a planner. There's some pumpkins, some blue stripes, some black and orange bats, these candles. I'm trying to let you guys see it but not go too slow. This is nice. This is what Recollections actually does. They've gotten better with their border strips. This one is really nice. I like this one. I usually take the border strips and make like page markers in my planners. We got some eyeballs, some bones, this page, which could be cut aparts too, and then that's it for that. And once again, it's called Halloweenesque, and I got 1 of those. Then for some reason they had this out, and I hadn't seen this before. Somebody let me know in the comment section if you have, but it's Christmas plaids, and this has foil accents too. I like this one, and I like this one a lot. Ooh, I like the foil ones. My Christmas TNs are always really popular, so I'll be making lots of them. I'm going to try to get them in the shop in November. Ooh, this one's nice too. Some of these are just regular plaids, like buffalo check, but some of them are really nice, like this. That's different. Ooh, that's kind of pretty. I love the ones that have the gold accents in them. And then that's it for that. And it's called Christmas Plaids. Now this sucker right here. Now, I don't really talk too much personally, but I love all things gothic and witchy and horror and paranormal and just different. And when I saw this, the inner child in me squealed and said, yes, yes. So it's called The Green Witch, or La Société Verte. And I love this paper pad so much that I bought 2. So I have 2 to make lots of things from. I love it. I hadn't even seen the inside, and I was like, I already have to get this. So here we go. We got some skulls. Let's some of this, and some of that. Ooh, I like these cut aparts. Oh, this is so pretty. I love this. I knew I would as soon as I saw the cover. We got some mushrooms. Ooh, that gold foil is nice. I knew I was gonna love this as soon as I saw it. I love that. This is gorgeous. The forest is dark and full of magic, and I wish this was smaller so I could use this in my planners. I wish it was smaller. This is nice. We got more mushrooms. This, I love this. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Look at that. We got more flowers and ravens. I love this watercolor effect. The Essential Spellbook of Green Witches, complete with potions, antidotes, and more. I absolutely love this. I may have to make like an old school scrapbook just to use some of these bigger pages because, oh, guys, I love this border strip page. It is so dope. We got some spider webs. We got some hands. We got that same watercolor but in green. We have some cut aparts. Oh my god, guys. Run and get this. Like, if you're like me, run and get this, and I got to. And I swear I'll wait like another week or so because my Michaels is a little slow. I might have to go get another one of these or go to another Michaels and get them because this is gorgeous. And I wish they had the 6x6s, but unfortunately all they had was the 12x12s. No stickers, no washi, none of that. So I am waiting on pins and needles, and I might have to check another Michaels next week. And if they have it, guys, I will be back with another haul video. Now, this one is a really cute too. I didn't even open it. I just picked it up when I saw the theme. It is Dia de los Muertos, Day of the Dead. And for some people who are traditional scrapbookers, these bigger sheets will work fine. But, oh, I love this one. It's not, it's kind of hard to explain. It's not foil, but it sort of kind of is, and it's really smooth. I'm going to give it to Regulations. Their new paper pads, the paper that they're using is better quality than the old ones. See, that has that same shiny satin effect on it. Oh, this is gorgeous. We have some 6x6s. This one has the same effect. Oh, yes. We got some skulls, some bright colors. This one is cute too. This one isn't like the first one, but I like this pink. We got that. We got little banners. We got little dancing skeletons. That's cute. This floral pattern. I actually like this one. It's nice and bold. And then there's some flowers on the bottom of this one. We got some frames that you can cut out. See, these are, I've been playing around, guys, with getting the Brother Scan and Cut, because you can scan these pages in and it'll cut it out so you don't have to fussy cut. So I'm playing around with that. If I get it, I will let you guys know, but I'm seriously thinking about it. We got some more dancing skeletons. We got this border strip page. See, now this one has like iridescent hollow effect. Oh, this is nice. Guys, you have to see this in person because that's really nice. We got that one. We got some bright flowers. We got some cut aparts that have that effect on it. Oh, I like that. And then, you know, you have traditional Mexican words in your family like abuela, abuelo, mama, papa, hija, and hio. That's daughter and son. Wait a second. Oh, guys. This is like a Day of the Dead spread. Oh, this is like a table setting. This is so pretty. Like all the effects that it has on there. This is so pretty. And then that's it for that. And then the last one is called Spook Hill. Now I'm gonna keep checking. You guys already know, like, I'm all about the Halloween. I did my 13 days of Halloween last year. I will probably do it again this year. I will probably include some extra things like cards and stuff that I didn't do last year, but you guys already know. If they got Halloween paper, I'm gonna find it. So it is called Spook Hill. Oh, we have this. This is nice. And it's, when I mean like this new paper is like really smooth on the front. It's really smooth on the front. And I love it. This is really nice. We got some spiders. We got some gold foiled skulls. We got some diagonal stripes. We got this little sunburst pattern. It reminds me of like the 1920s, like Art Deco. So it looks like that's what I'm getting, like Halloween Art Deco vibes from this paper pad. So I like this border strip too. Told you they've been stepping their border strip games up. There is magic in the night. That is nice. We got some coffins, a frame, some spiders with another geometric print. We got some cut aparts with some foil on there. We got some smaller skulls. We got that same sunburst Art Deco with some skulls. We got gray. This is nice. These spider webs with spiders. That's nice. We got this. We got this big old spider web. We got some faces of the moon. Guys, these pages here and here are freaking gorgeous. Look at that. We got some stripes. We got some bats. We got some 6x6s. We got some pumpkins with some gold foil. Luscious. And then we got these small, like, Starry Night ones. And that's it. So, once again, it's Spook Hill, Dia de los Muertos, the Green Witch, Christmas Plaid, and Halloweeny Hallow-esque. So, yes, once they finish putting out all the Halloween stuff, the Halloween paper stuff from Michaels, I will be back to show you more. But until then, goodbye.